is me, Mel, again, and I'm very grateful that you're here right now joining me in unboxing my IPSY GLAM Bag Plus for January 2020. I know it's February right now and I have a January box. Well, actually, this is a replacement box again. Yes. It's like every month now that I get a replacement box. So what is IPSY GLAM Bag Plus? It is a $25 monthly subscription wherein you will get 5 full-size items, and it could be skincare or makeup. And I'm gonna cover the number of my box. Okay, I will try to cover it. So when you open it, that's what it is, and it feels really light. Oh my gosh. So my bag is open and I don't see any card. There is no card. So let's put it down. This is the bag. I am happy with the bag though. It's really beautiful. There it is. It's like marble. Well, the bag at least is really nice. I'm gonna take out what's in here. And I really forgot already what's my choice item. Oh, I think that's what it is. Oh, okay. So here is the inside. Again, the logo of the IPSY bag. And here's this thing. So it's like a wristlet. Okay, let's put that there. Now I will show you my choice item, and this is from Gold Faden, and this is the Gold Faden Doctor Scrub Ruby Crystal Microderm. This is from Gold Faden MD, and this is a Doctor Scrub Ruby Crystal Microderm Exfoliator, and this one is in 50 ml, and I will check how much this is. Okay, so this one retails for $38. Okay, now the next one that I'm gonna be, okay, so the next one in here, this is from Hannah Lay, and this is the lip treatment. And this one is made in USA, and the Hanalei is a company from Hawaii. There you go. And let's check how much that is. So this one retails for $20, and I'm not gonna open it or swatch it or test it because I have to read more about this and I don't want to waste it if I'm not gonna be able to use it. Okay, and oh wow, I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a flower thing. Oh, okay. So again, I'm not gonna be swatching this because I don't know if I'm gonna be using this right away. So I'll just put this aside. So again, this is $20. And the next one here this is from Sugar. And this is a waterproof micro liner, Wingman waterproof micro liner, and this is from Sugar. And again, I'm not gonna swatch this or open this because it's sealed, but I'm gonna check how much this is. Okay, I'm gonna read about the brand. India-based Sugar Cosmetics is our go-to brand for feeling pulled together in a pinch. With top-notch formulas and carefully curated colors, these makeup must-haves are perfect for beauty on the go. By the way, this one is waterproof. And this one retails for $15. Okay, $15, but I'm not gonna open that because it's sealed. Okay. Now the next one here this is from Pureless. And I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Pureless. And this is the Blue Lotus 4-in-1 I Adore Serum. And this one is made in USA. Okay, that's good to know. Let's check how much this is. Wow, this one is valued for $58. $58 for this tiny thing. But again, this is an eye serum, so it's quite pricey, and this is from Pure Leads, and that's what it is. And it must be sealed. Oh, it's not sealed, but I'm not gonna test it because I have like 3 eye cream right now that I opened and been using for days now. I have 3 eye creams that I'm using right now, so I'm not gonna touch that. And the next, oh, why did I didn't even show the box. Okay, so the next one here is, this is from Nature's Cartel, and this is the, oh, this is a lipstick, and look at the packaging, it's so nice. And the color is 90s, I don't know if you can see it, 90s nostalgia. And where is this made from? This is vegan and cruelty free. It is so tiny that I can't even read it. Oh, this is made in China. Yeah, made in China. Okay, so here is the lipstick. The packaging is matte. The container is matte. Yeah, there it is. So I don't know if you can see that. Ooh, here is the lipstick. This I can definitely use. Love the shade. Wow. Okay. I don't smell anything, but I'm not gonna swatch this because again, I have like a lot of lipstick right now, like open, swatched, and been using now and then. Okay, so how much is this? Let's check. So this one retails for $16. Okay. Now, am I happy? Well, I am happy with this because this is my choice item. I am happy with this. This is a lip treatment, so I'm gonna be using this, but I don't know when. The lipstick I'm definitely gonna be using. Where is the name? There it is. And this one, I have quite a few eyeliners, liquid eyeliners, and I rarely use them. So this might go to someone, or I might use this. I don't know yet. So 4 items I am definitely gonna be using. Only this one is like 50-50. So I am happy with my bag. My box rather, and my bag is beautiful. So the total for all the items in my bag is $147, and I only paid $25 plus the bag. So it's pretty, like, I am happy. It came late, but I am happy, and I'm gonna check later if this is actually, if all the items here are what I'm really supposed to be getting, because usually there will be like 2 or 3 items that is not my original items that I'm supposed to be getting. So I'm gonna check later, and then if there's a difference, then I'm gonna put it in the video, okay? So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for staying with me up to the end of this video, and I am very grateful for that. And hopefully, if you haven't done it yet, you'll be liking the video, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell so you will know if I have a new video up. And hopefully I'll be seeing you in my next video. Thank you very much, and God bless everyone. Have a nice day, have a good night for whatever time you're watching this, and thank you. See you. Bye-bye.